Hey, I'm Josh. This is my Stealth Camping Alliance May challenge video set by the twins for their birthday. Something new. I've got a new inflatable kayak and going camping in it is a new kind of adventure. This is me driving to the beach to launch before sunrise on a Sunday morning. I was worried about traffic stops for drink drivers, not because I was drunk, but because I was on a moto with a huge bag with a paddle and a big pump bungeed on. I wasn't sure if it was roadworthy. And yeah, there was a traffic stop. But cool, he waved me past, so I could have even had a few beers before I left. Anyway, onto the harbour to start this mission. Ah, shit. I have zero experience in a kayak and zero experience sailing. So I used Google to check what weather is safe to kayak in the ocean. What I found out is 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, you need to get off the water. Swell above 1.5 meters, not good. I had planned to do about 14 kilometers, but the weather had other plans. So I planned a shorter route of about 5 kilometers, starting in the second closest town to where I wanted to camp. Before 1 PM I needed to be out of the water, or I could die, or at the least lose all my camera and camping gear, and that I didn't want to do. Oh, fish just jumped up. Finally, we're out on the water. I had to leave very early to try and avoid the wind. The moment I got out the harbour and felt the wind and seen the waves rolling at me, I was like, fuck, this is the Atlantic, mate. I got no experience, no life jacket, I'm an idiot. Doubts were entering my mind. This is already looking a bit sketch, huh? I wonder if I'm going to have to bail this mission. Hopefully not. What if the weather is wrong? What if it gets worse or comes in earlier? I was scared, like really scared. I'm very stupid. I wanted to turn around, but I couldn't. I have to do it. These waves are so choppy. The section I just come round then, I really thought about turning back because I'm a bit scared for my life. It's Paul's birthday, man. So I pushed myself. Onwards. It's only 5k, I said. And that I did. I pushed hard, fighting my doubts. And sooner than expected, I was at the beach I wanted to camp. Okay, I can see the beach. But oh shit, how do I land on a steep rocky beach? I've never done that. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. How I'm going to land this fucking boat. Ah, it looks alright, to be honest. Very calm in this bit. So we're now at this beach very early, way before I intended to be here, and we're trapped here for 24 hours until the weather is suitable to get back. Definitely lucky we got here when we did, because now the waves are a bit bigger and it would have been super hard to get out of the water. But now we just have to sit here in this blistering sun for a long time. Blistering sun, and then the wind arrived. I needed some shelter, fast. So we're in the tent, out of the wind. It's hard getting it up because of the wind, but I think I've got it secured down. This will definitely be a good test for the tent. Looks pretty solid, but I'm just thankful I'm not still in that water, or I would be dead. Crazy thing as well is I was close to bringing a tarp, but I'm damn glad I didn't, and I brought a tent instead. But it's going to be a long time I've got to wait on this beach. It's only 12 o'clock now. I've checked the weather, and tomorrow, I think, as long as we're out on the water before 8 o'clock, hopefully we beat the wind and we can get back safely. Otherwise, I don't know, maybe we're going to be stuck here for a few days. We'll have to wait and see. It's very boring being stuck on a beach in a tent with no phone reception. There wasn't a lot I could do and I was bored. I went to go for a swim. So the wind quieted down for like a good half hour. I managed to get back out for a bit, fly the drone, get some sweet shots, but then the wind picked back up again, so I'm back in the tent. Good news, I managed to kill some time and it's about 8 o'clock now, so soon I'll probably fall asleep because I have to be up at about 5 or 6 to pack up, get the hell out of here, and hopefully not get caught in a windstorm. Good morning. It's 4:30 AM and I can't sleep because I'm nervous about getting back in the water and how the weather's going to be. So I'm going to pack up already and just try and find a window to be able to get out into the ocean. Not looking forward to this. Okay, so we're all packed up. It's a bit windy, so I'm a bit worried. The sun's starting to slowly come up and I'm getting ready on the beach to launch, and I'm very scared. This beach is really steep. I don't know how I'm going to get in the boat without falling over. I'm going to film it, so if I fall over, at least you want to see it. Waiting for the sun to rise felt like forever. I was having doubts again. Setting off in a fully loaded kayak on a steep, rocky, wavy beach, something I've never done. But I told myself I can do it. I have to do it. done it. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Bon voyage. Now the trip back, I was worried and stressed the whole fucking way. There was waves, there was wind, but I went full speed because I just wanted to get back to dry land. And when I got to the harbour, I felt relief. I felt amazing. Oh yeah, we're coming. It's this last corner. You can see my motor. But I said to myself, this is the last time I go solo kayaking in anything except perfect conditions. We made it into the harbour. Thanks for watching this adventure, guys. Shout out Stealth Camping Alliance. This is the Stealth Camping Alliance video by me, Josh, from my channel Outdoor Ting. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, God, for letting me survive.